Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, hi, how are you? I hope that you people are doing well. A quick video to show you what is going on in the marketing school platform. You can see you have to go to the marketing school online.com website. A lot of interesting things are happening. You just have to go to the courses, and in the courses you have to go. There are many free downloads for you as well. Go to the upcoming courses. This is why I'm making this video. And currently I'm working on a couple of new courses for you. A lot of requests from the students to teach them how to develop a questionnaire. So this is the course that I'm going to upload it as soon as it is ready. But why I'm making this video is I want you to go through the course. If you want to get a notification for the completion of the course, or when the course is up, put your email there. If you want to support the course in any way, you can do that as well. And in the reason that I'm making this video is that I want you to go through the content. Okay, this is the one. I want you to go through this and see if that should be sufficient for you, or you want to know something else. You want to add more topics in the list of the topics that I have. So put in the comment. You can drop me an email as well, and I will try to add more topics related to the questionnaire development. I hope it will be very beneficial for you when you're designing your own questionnaire. So stay tuned and make sure to check the courses, the upcoming courses and the existing courses. Enroll, share it with your friends, your students, and those of you who cannot buy a course, drop me an email. I have some courses to offer to the students for free. So take care. See you.